CBSE Mathematics Class 12th Part 1 Exercise 1.1 Question number 6. So that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by relation, that is R in bracket 1, 2 in the second bracket 2, 1 is symmetric but not reflexive not transitive. अब देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करेंगे. लेट ए जो दिया हुआ है सेट, उसको हमने सपोज किया लेट ए सेट ए इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ 1, 2, 3. A relation R on A is defined as R in bracket curly bracket में 1, 2, 2, 1. It is already given. It is seen that 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 does not belong to the relation. Therefore, relation is not reflexive. अगर reflexive होता तो इसके अंदर ये एलिमेंट होने चाहिए 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 एलिमेंट होने चाहिए. बट these elements are not present. Now, as 1, 2 belongs to relation and 2, 1 also belongs to relation, then R is symmetric. Now, 1, 2 and 2, 1 belongs to relation. However, 1, 1 does not belong to relation. This implies that 1, 1 does not belong to the relation. Hence, R is not transitive. Hence, R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Now come to the question number 7 of exercise 1.1. So that the relation R in the set of all books in the library of a college given by R, that is x, y, such that x and y have the same number of pages is an equivalence relation. अब देखिए, फर्स्ट है A, that is set of all books in the library of the college. रिलेशन क्या दिया हुआ है x, y such that x and y have the same number of pages. Now, R is reflexive since x belongs to relation as x and x has the same number of pages. जो डिफिनेशन है रिलेशन का सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस होने चाहिए. लेट एक्स वाई belongs to relation and x and y have the same number of pages. Y and x have the same number of pages. This implies that yx belongs to relation, therefore relation is symmetric. Now let xy belongs to relation and yz belongs to relation. So this implies that x and y have the same number of pages and yz have the same number of pages. This implies that xz belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is transitive. Relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. अब देखिए रिफ्लेक्सिव भी है, सिमेट्रिक भी है, ट्रांजिटिव भी है. अगर ऐसा कंडीशन है, therefore relation is equivalence relation. Hence it is proved. Now come to the question number 8. So that the relation R in the set A, that is consists of the set A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by relation AB such that mode of A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. so that all the elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all elements of 2, 4 are related to each other, but no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. सॉल्यूशन देखिए, ए कंसिस्ट ऑफ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 रिलेशन दिया हुआ है, डिफाइन किया हुआ है. ए बी सच दैट मोड ऑफ ए माइनस बी मीन्स डिफरेंस ऑफ मोड ऑफ डिफरेंस ऑफ ए बी इज एन इवन. It is clear that for any element a, small a belongs to set A, we have mod of a minus a that is equal to 0, which is even. Therefore, relation is reflexive. Let A B belongs to relation. This implies that the mode of A minus B is even. अब देखिए यहाँ पर कैसे हमने मोड को चेंज करना है. देखिए, मोड ऑफ माइनस, ब्रैकेट से बाहर माइनस लगा दिया, और माइनस ए बी, माइनस ब्रैकेट में ए माइनस बी. अब देखिए माइनस हो चाहे प्लस हो, रिजल्ट वही आएगा. तो हमने क्या किया, माइनस निकाल दिया. माइनस करके इसको अंदर ही अंदर सॉल्व कर दिया, मोड के अंदर ही अंदर. That is b minus a is also even. Hence, BA belongs to relation. Therefore, or is relation is symmetric. Now let AB belongs to relation and BC belongs to relation. Therefore, this implies that A mode of A minus B is even. Mode of A minus B is even and B minus C is also even. Therefore, this implies that A minus B is even and B minus C is even. Further, A minus C will be equal to A minus B plus B minus C is even. अब देखिए दो इवन नंबर, ये इवन है, ये इवन. Sum of the two even number is always even. And that is equal to A minus C. So mode of A minus C is even. Mode of A minus C is even. Next step देखिए, AC belongs to relation, therefore relation is transitive. Hence, relation is an equivalence relation. Now, all elements of the set 1, 3, 5 are related to each other, as all elements of this subset are odd. Thus, the modulus of the difference between any two elements will be even. दो odd number का जो difference होगा always even होगा. For example, देखिए 7 minus 5 to 9 minus 7 to 13 minus 9 4. तो हर केस में हम देखते हैं कि इवन होगा. Thus, the modulus of the difference between the any two elements will be even. Similarly, all the elements of the set 2, 4 are related to each other, as all the elements of this subset are even. Also, no element of the subset 1, 3, 5 can be to any element of 2, 2 and 4. Or even thus the modulus of the difference between the two elements from each of these two subsets will not be even. Now come to the question number 9. So that each of the relation R in the set A x belongs to z, that is integer, such that 0 is less than or equal to x and x is less than or equal to 12, given by first relation R, that is AB, such that mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Second relation R, that is AB, such that A is equal to B, is an equivalence relation. Find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. अब देखिए सॉल्यूशन में A equal to x belongs to z such that 0 is less than or equal to x and x is less than equal to 12. Now let us write down the set A. Set A consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the first relation AB such that mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. For any element, let be small a, belongs to capital A, we have AA belongs to relation H, mod of A minus A equal to 0 is a multiple of 4. अब मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 का मतलब है कि हम किसी भी इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, मल्टीपल होगा वो 4 का. देखिए 4 इंटू 0 मैंने लिखा हूँ ब्रैकेट में 0, मीन्स 0 इज ए मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. Therefore, relation is reflexive. Now let AB belongs to relation. This implies that mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Further, it implies that just we have taken minus mod of minus in bracket A minus B, that will be equal to B minus A. Mod of B minus A is a multiple of 4. अब देखिए यहाँ पर बी ए बिलोंग्स टू रिलेशन, therefore R is a symmetric. Now let AB, BC belongs to relation. This implies that the mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4 and B minus C is a multiple of 4. B minus C is a multiple of 4. Now A minus B in bracket, A minus B is a multiple of 4 and B minus C is a multiple of 4. Further, A minus C is equal to, this A minus C can also be written like this, A minus B plus B minus C. अब देखिए B और B कैंसिल हो जाएगा, हमारे को क्या रिजल्ट मिलेगा, A minus C is a multiple of 4. Sum of two integers, if both the integers are multiple of 4 and the sum of those multiples will also be multiple of 4. The mod of A minus C is a multiple of 4. So AC belongs to relation. Now, therefore, relation is transitive. अब देखिए यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं, hence relation is an equivalence relation. The set of elements related to 1 is 1, 5, 9, since mod of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 is a multiple of 4. 5 mod of 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 is a multiple of 4, and 9 minus 1, the mod of 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8, is a multiple of 4. Now the same thing can be done like this also. That is the second method which I have described here. Find the equivalence class of 1. अब देखिए इक्विवेलेंस क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करने का क्या तरीका बुक में भी दिया हुआ है, टेक्स्ट बुक में आपके। इस तरह से हम ब्रैकेट में बना करके रखते हैं, लार्ज ब्रैकेट जिसे बड़ा ब्रैकेट कहते हैं। सो द इक्विवेलेंस ऑफ 1 दैट कैन बी इक्वल टू x बिलोंग्स टू a such that x and 1 belongs to relation. So x belongs to a such that mod of x minus 1 is a multiple of 4. Now the mode of x minus 1 is 0, 4, 8, 12. अब देखिए x minus 1 जो होगा 0, 4, 8, these are the multiple of 4. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, 4, 8, 12. So x is equal to 1, 5, 9. अब देखिए 1 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे 0 मिलेगा, 5 में 1 माइनस करेंगे 4 मिलेगा, 9 में 1 माइनस करेंगे 8 मिलेगा। अब 12 लेने के लिए हमें 13 चाहिए। 13 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 12, लेकिन 13 तो हमारा है ही नहीं सेट में। सेट में जो एलिमेंट सेट दिया हुआ है ए, उसमें 13 नहीं है। दैट इज वाई आई हैव पुट अ क्रॉस हियर, इट शुड नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड। अब देखिए फर्दर मैंने इसको एलॉबरेट किया है। 13 डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू ए। अब यहाँ पर भी मैंने एक ब्रैकेट बना करके समझाने का कोशिश किया। मोड ऑफ 1 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, मोड ऑफ 5 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 4, मोड ऑफ 9 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 8, मोड ऑफ 13 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 12। लेकिन इसको फिर से एक ब्रैकेट बना करके क्रॉस किया है। क्यों क्रॉस किया है? बिकॉज द 13 डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू ए। नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ इट। In the second method, relation R such that a b such that a is equal to b. For any element a belongs to a, we have small a belongs to relation since a is equal to a. Therefore, relation is reflexive. Now let a b belongs to relation, a is equal to b or b is equal to a. So BA belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is symmetric. Now let AB belongs to relation and BC belongs to relation. A is equal to B and B is equal to C. So A is equal to C. ये ट्रांजिटिविटी लॉ है। देखिए A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Therefore A is equal to C. This implies that AC belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is transitive. Hence, relation is equivalence relation. The element in relation that are related to 1 will be those elements from the set A which are equal to 1. Hence, the set of the element related to 1 is 1. That's all.